Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany and today we are on day 8 of the 30 days of beauty. If you are new to my channel then please don't forget to subscribe, and on day 8 it is Holy Grail makeup products. I want to see your Holy Grail makeup products as well. This is going to be so quick. So my Holy Grail makeup product, I've got one, and that is this. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter for a Superstar Youth Glow. And I love this. I love this so much. Oh my god. It is amazing in every way, shape and form. I think I've had this for nearly 3 years. I do need to buy another shade. I need a slightly darker shade for the summer months, so I need to go and grab one of those. The only annoying thing is I actually have to get on a boat and go to the mainland to purchase it. I can obviously get it delivered to home, but I don't know what shade I want, so I need to go and have a look. This product I use, and I have used every single day without fail. Whether it's a full glam makeup day, a no makeup day, an absolutely no makeup day whatsoever, just this. It's lasted, I mean, look how much. I don't think you can see. I think we're down to there. So we definitely need some more, but it's all stuck to the side as well. And it's just so pretty. Look at it. It's so pretty. I love it. It's just like the prettiest thing ever. Look. Mwah. Pretty. Love it. Everyone that I know that loves this stuff, they all use it a different way. So this can be used, as I said, on a no makeup day. I use it. I will show you how I use it. I do a bop, 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 and bop. And sometimes bop and bop there as well. And I get my brush. Where is brush? I get my brush and I just dab it out. So this stuff is so versatile. You can use it underneath your foundation to give your foundation that little bit of extra glow. You can wear it on top of your foundation as your highlighter to give your skin that extra glow. You can wear it on top of powder. I've seen some people literally put it all over their face. Some people do what I do and just put it in the high points. Some people mix it in with their foundation, mix it in with their moisturizer. There are so many different ways to use it, and it hasn't got coverage as such, but it kind of does. Does that make sense? So this, can you see that glow? You can see that it is slightly too pale for me, but you can see, I hope you can see that glow. It's just so bloody nice, and I would just go out with it like this if I wasn't putting makeup on, if I wasn't doing anything else. Maybe a little bit of mascara, good to go. Or I would put my foundation or concealer on, do my powder, do everything, and then just dab in those same areas just to give it that highlighter glow. It just has so many uses. I love it. I love it. I will say that this is my Holy Grail. I will always love this. I don't think there will be anything that would replace it, would there? I know that Samantha Ravndal and her brand Auric has a similar product. I don't know how similar, and I would like to try it, but I know that she was a huge fan of the Flawless filter, and that's why I purchased it, because she used to go on about it so much that I decided I would purchase it because I wanted to see what it was like. And I completely agreed with her, and I pretty much completely agree with her with every product. So maybe her I don't know what it's called, Glow Lust Radiant Luminizer. So I would quite like to try that, but I'm not sure if I want to or not, because I don't want to cheat on that. But that is literally the only Holy Grail product. This is probably the only product that I will 100% go and buy another two of. It's something that I would literally think I might cry if they ever stopped making it. This has literally changed everything. It has meant that I can quite happily have a no makeup day, just pop some of that on and feel like I have put some effort in, and feel like I am slightly more put together than what I actually am in life. So I love it, and it is my Holy Grail makeup product. What is your Holy Grail makeup product? And you're only allowed to choose one. I know, it's hard, it's difficult, but I showed you mine, now you show me yours. Pop down in the comments your Holy Grail makeup product. And remember, it's only one product that you can choose. I only chose one, you're only allowed to choose one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all for tomorrow's. Bye.